Ladies and gentlemen, we've arrived at Baw Baw Islands.
Hot dogs. Get your hot dogs here.
Help! Hold on, I'm coming. Hey, Rocco, come quick. It's urgent.
Copy that.
Okay, let's go.
I've got an itch I can't scratch. I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me. An open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly. Thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy.